In this presentation is about an impulse elimination bolster to prevent potential risk of pilot spine injuries. The following videos are abstracted by me from various websites around the internet for the sole purpose of comparison and studies. I do not own any rights to these videos. There is a 36.3% chance of pilot injury based on the summary of the reference, as shown. Most ejections are erratic and unpredictable. Experiment 1. Spine compression test. In this spine compression test, a ping pong ball is used to represent a section of the spine column. A standard 80 kilograms of dummy to represent the pilot is used. The test is simulated to 40 G, twice the normal catapult impact. In the test, the compression damage on the ping pong ball is very prominent. Experiment 2. Test with the impulse elimination bolster. The bolster is a portable module and made to sit into the seat bucket. Other than the impulse elimination bolster, the test setup is identical to the experiment 1. With the impulse elimination bolster, the ping pong ball is protected from damage.